Hello good people, welcome to my new Python tutorial video series. Let's start. At first go to Google and type how to install Python. Here some results come. We'll go to this site and let's see what are they saying. Here are some prerequisites. Okay. Then step 2, download Python executable installer. Okay, let's go to this link and stable release. Okay, my system is 64-bit, so I'll download this and try to install. 5 seconds left. Oh my god. Okay, now install it. Install now. Wait, let's check the path. See user. Okay. Installing. Okay. Let's check it's successfully installed or not. Go to start and click on this idle Python. Let's write some code. Print hello. Yes, it's successfully installed. Now we have to set the environment variable. Go to C, users, username, app data, local, then programs, Python, Python 310. Copy the link and open run by pressing Windows key and R together. Type system.cpl. Advanced, environment variable, and back. Click on edit, then new, then paste the link here. Hit OK. We need to add this script folder to the environment variable to run the pip on our system. Click the link, click on path, edit, new, and paste the link again here. OK, OK. And restart your computer. Check if pip is working or not. Pip, hit enter. No, pip is not working. Name error, pip is not defined. Okay, I have found another solution, that is import pip. Okay, pip.main install request. Put this 2 line of code into the description box. Hit enter and it's going to be installed. Okay, after installing, type pip. Yes, pip is working.